In this video, I want to teach you how you can block a particular email address from receiving message from such individual. If you are having a particular email that keeps coming to your Gmail and you want to block such email address from sending you messages on your Gmail, here is a way to do it. You are in the right channel. So, if this is the first time you're coming to my channel, please endeavor to click on the red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, this is really helpful for me. So, let's head straight to the point. So, let's take for instance, you are getting a message from this particular person, get response, and you are not quite cool with the way you've been receiving message from such company or such individual. Or what you do is when you open the message just the way I just did, you come here, you come to the three dots for more, and you click on block. When you click on block, this is what you see. Now click on block. So once you click on block, you can see that it said you have blocked reply at getresponse.com. New messages from this sender will be sent to spam. So every message coming from this particular individual will be landing in spam directly. So, but there's still another way to do it. If you want, maybe probably every time the mail is being sent, if you want it to be deleted automatically without even keeping it at all in your Gmail, there is a way to do it. Let me teach you how. So let me just unblock this particular person. Okay, so let's copy this particular email address. Let us copy it. This is the sender email address. This is the person we want to stop from sending us a message. So we'll just head straight to the settings icon at the top right of the Gmail website. So we'll click on it. We'll now see quick settings. We'll see all settings. We'll click on the quick and the see all settings. It brings us here. So we'll have list of menu at the top here. You can see where I'm hovering my mouse. So but where we are going to is filter and blocked address. So once we click on filter and blocked address, it comes here. So we'll click on create new filter. You can see create new filter. We click on it. So we'll now impute the email address, the sender email address we want to block. So I'll just paste the email I've earlier copied. You can see. So we'll now click on create filter below it. So now what we'll do is here, what we'll do is we can just click on delete all. So once we select this delete all, it means we are telling Gmail that every time a message is coming from this particular email address, this particular sender email address, it should be deleted automatically. But if you think you don't want to be deleting it, maybe probably you want to be checking, maybe there is a valuable information, you can just use this option, skip the inbox and archive it. So it means every time this particular person sends you an email, it is automatically archived. So you can find every messages from this particular company or individual from your archive. But we want to delete. But in this video, we want to teach you how you can delete every message coming from this particular sender. So when you click on delete it, you just click on create filter. So you can see that this has actually joined your filter. It means every message coming from this company will be automatically deleted without even keeping it in your Gmail. If you find this video very helpful, endeavor to click on the red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And once you're done, click on the bell icon beside it to get notified when I drop videos like this. So you will see other videos, other Gmail videos that will be helpful for you at the end of this video. Thank you.